Hi guys, Tyler with MarineMax Houston. Today I'm on a Boston Whaler Vantage 210. This boat's powered by a Mercury 250 horse V8 outboard. You'll see along the transom area you've got two nice swim platforms with a dive ladder underneath the starboard side. See, we've got even more casting walk space. If you flip it up, you've now got a nice transom seat. You've got two jump seats, two cup holders, three rod holders, freshwater shower, and a place for a table here in the transom area. So you move forward, you see we've got a nice lounger on the port side. This lounge does come up and convert into a normal chair. You can face forwards, backwards, whichever's more comfortable for you. You've got a single helm chair on the starboard side. You've got your Mercury digital throttle and shift, Simrad controls, JL audio system, and your Simrad VHF system. As we make our way forward, you'll see we've got a nice air dam for when you want to stay out of the weather. You've got access to a starboard storage console. This also doubles as rod holder storage. If you open up the cushion in the front, you can slide your rods in. You'll notice that 5-gallon bucket. Once this is all closed, you've got a perfect little door access to use that 5-gallon bucket as a trash bin. At the bow, we've got seating for plenty of people, 4 cup holders, JL speakers, your anchor locker, and there is more storage underneath this seat as well. If you're interested in a Boston Whaler Vantage, please give me a call. I'd love to help you out. Thank you.